Dust everywhere. It invade the body and life turns gloominess. Also, dust explosion is even more horrible. Industry 4.0, ReadyWell Manufacturing 2030. All various challenges from new era at all walks of life. Production level improvement is the first priority. It is self-evident of dust harm, which occur occupational diseases, potential safety hazard of production, and affects the yield of products. ReadyWell Environmental Protection was founded more than 20 years ago and is committed to the prevention and control of air pollution. The best profession specialist for integrated dust removal systems for comprehensive solutions for tailor-made with 800 customers around 67 cities in China and all over Dubai, Japan, Turkey, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, etc. Purify air. ReadyWell. Take care. In 1999, ReadyWell established in Taiwan as headquarters, and Kunshan ReadyWell equipment was established in Shanghai in 2004. In 2017, in line with the needs of the times, ReadyWell Environmental Protection Technology Nantong Company Limited was established with a total investment of $12 million, covering an area of 30 acres and a factory area of 13,000 square meters. In 2023, ReadyWell Environmental Protection Technology Thailand Company Limited was established to expand international business. With a total investment of 80 million baht, covering an area of 3.2 rai and a plant area of 3,500 square meters. Across more than 20 years, ReadyWell has mastered core technology. Between Taiwan and China, ReadyWell holds, and at the latest and most advanced stage of developments, innovative technology along Japan, Korea, and European. Has successively obtained High-Tech Enterprise, 2022 Jiangsu Province High-Tech Industrial Development Zone Gazelle Enterprise, Construction Enterprise Qualified Certificate, Safety Production License, Safety Production Standardization Certificate, HV3 Series CE Mark Certificate, Avery Holding Strategic Partnership, Excellent Quality Award issued by Jending Tech Group, as well as Outstanding Economic Development Contribution Award, and various honorary certificates issued by the government and various patent certificate, etc. Environmental protection becomes more and more stringent in response to the different requirements with millions standards, complex environmental protection rules from each local governments. Our professional team provides professional experiences to customized integrated dust collecting system upon comprehensive solutions. We are a fully trusted brand and eternal pursuit for global customers all over the world. ReadyWell, updated to automation technology with strictest quality control. Automatic steel plate cutting, bending and rounding. Unique intelligent robot automatic welding technology. All set imported parts, equipment assembly, sandblasting, painting, filter installation, commissioning, and quality inspection. ReadyWell strictest quality check and has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification. ReadyWell, precise and efficient. Shortens lead time as the lowest in the industry. The product system adopts constant voltage frequency conversion design, It saves energy and consumption reduction to enlarge the filtration efficiency and filter service life longer. The Dust Explosion-Proof Dust Collection System, designed for enterprises involving explosive dust, complies with national explosion-proof standards, is safe and controllable, and meets safety regulatory requirements. The air contains dust go through the duct into dust collector and filtrated by filters, then into the fan. Clear air is discharged to the air from chimney. The all dust collected into the dust bucket. ReadyWell pollution prevention equipment, designed with frequency conversion and energy-saving application with frequency conversion. High efficiency, low energy consumption to make the air as clean as ever. ReadyWell product system designs cover all industries including electronics, optronics, chemical, rubber, foundry, machinery, aerospace, ceramics, leather, paper, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics. ReadyWell is environmentally friendly and fulfills the responsibility of caring for the earth with the aim of creating a beautiful home. Purify air. ReadyWell take care. ReadyWell will forge a bright future from our cooperation together.